In this video, I will tell you that how you can easily turn on or turn off a schedule on Journal app in your iPhone or iPad. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and you have subscribed to my channel, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. Alright, so first of all, you will have to head over to the settings. Then you will have to scroll down all the way until you find Journal app. Now right here, just under the fitness, you can find the Journal app. You'll simply click on it. Now you will simply have to click on journaling schedule. Now by default it is turned off. You can simply turn it on by toggling this option, and you can set specific days or time. So that's how you can easily turn on or turn off journaling schedule in your iPhone or iPad. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to